So friends, first of all, I'm wishing you a very happy Gudi Padwa, and I'm sharing with you what we had for lunch for Gudi Padwa. All recipes are in yesterday's video. I'll leave a link below. So first, I always start with a theme or a drop of the Varan. Now I've just taken a bati. I'm just going to coat it with a little bit of ghee, and I'm going to put some lovely cooked rice into this bati. So you get the shape of this bati, which is called a moong. So that's the moong. Now I'm going to pour some varan. So yesterday itself I shared a video on what I cook generally for Gudi Padwa. I'll leave a link to that video. You can see all the recipes on that video. So I just pour a little bit of the varan over the rice. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, some lovely melted clarified butter or ghee or toop, and a generous amount of a squeeze of lime. And there you have your Varan Bhaat toop limbu. Now I prepared some Batatachi Bhaji, which is the traditional Maharashtrian way of preparing potato bhaji, boiled potato bhaji. It's really delicious. Then I'm serving some green coconut chutney, that is coriander and coconut chutney. Now the best part of the meal, which is the Aamras, which is mango pulp, lovely Alfonso mangoes or Apus mango pulp, and you can see the lovely Puris over there. And I always put a few drops of ghee over the Aamras. Now this is some shrikhand. This recipe also is there in yesterday's video. All these recipes are there in yesterday's video. I'll leave a link below of the video, and I'll also leave it as an end screen so you can watch all the recipes. And lovely whole wheat puris and the lovely Gudi Padwa Thali is all ready to enjoy.